This is Tecno Spark Go, and today I would like to show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first I suggest that you turn on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then expand the control panel, find the icon for the nearby share, hold your finger at it. Then once the nearby share page is opened, you can activate it by toggling this switch. From here you can rename your device if you want to, set a custom name or alias for it. Then you can manage your device visibility mode and modify the network type that is preferred for the file transfer. Once everything is set up and ready to be used, let me quickly test this feature out. So I'll try sharing this screenshot and see how well this feature performs. So as you can see, the screenshot was sent and received successfully. So that would conclude this video. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.